Hey friends, if you encounter the speech to text error 0x80049dd3, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's one thing you need to understand that speech to text is not available for each and every language, it is only available for a few languages. So, right click on the start button, select settings. Now, go to the time and language tab, select language and region. Now, you have a hell lot of what do we say languages associated with English India, English Australia, English UK, English Canada, English New Zealand, English for every country. But as you can see, we do not have the language pack text to speech recognition for each and every one of them. I will give you a very simple suggestion. It doesn't matter which English you use, simply keep it at English United States, it's almost the same, or English UK if that is what you specifically want. The next one is to update the audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each driver and update them, and make sure that you update each and every of the drivers, not just one or two. The next one is a network reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Network Settings, select Network Reset, click on Reset Now, and finally on Yes. The last one is, this is all we need to do. I'll tell you why. When we reset the network, we are basically resetting TCP/IP, we are flushing the DNS, we are renewing the IP address, we are resetting WinSock. So it will eventually solve all the problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.